Check out this Chevrolet 2018 Tahoe LT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include navigation system, enhanced driver alert package, Y86, premium smooth ride suspension package, sun, entertainment and destinations package, 9 speakers, AM/FM radio, SiriusXM, Bose premium 9-speaker system and CD player. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.